The wood-producing industry worldwide, especially on a large scale, requires highly advanced machineries. This is to ensure that the wood-cutting process, which may be used for furniture and similar items, becomes more efficient and faster. As a result, supercutting machines have been developed and integrated into the large-scale wood industry. Some of these supercutting machines will be featured in the following video. The STIHL MS 661 is a professional-grade chainsaw that is reliable and capable of delivering exceptional tree-felling performance. This chainsaw can easily cut down and handle trees with large diameters. It has a simple, non-electronic design. The fuel-efficient engine and low-maintenance air filtration system help keep operating costs low, while the STIHL anti-vibration system reduces operator fatigue and improves handling compared to other machines. This steel machine boasts a power equivalent to 5.4 horsepower, capable of reaching up to 7,700 revolutions per minute. Weighing only 16.72 pounds, it is easy for users to operate. The air filter feature allows this machine to extend internal repairs, making it usable for a long time. The Carlton 7015 TRX is an exceptional tree-cutting machine. Anyone can see that this machine can cut down to the base of the tree very quickly. One of the standout features of the Carlton 7015 TRX is its sharp blade wheel. This machine can handle even the hardest wood. The Carlton 7015 TRX is a cutting machine worth owning because operators will not struggle much with it. With just a few training sessions and mastering the remote control, anyone can become a professional machine operator. The Makita Ducey 353 is an efficient, versatile chainsaw with a chain speed of up to 20 mph. This chainsaw is designed for use at construction sites, home building, and other projects. The Makita Ducey 353 also features a kickback brake and a variable speed trigger switch that provides high operation performance. The main power switch has an automatic shut-off function to save battery life and prevent the machine from being accidentally turned on. Additionally, the Makita Ducey 353 has speed control that maintains a constant speed under heavy loads. It is powered by two 18V LXT Li-ion batteries, providing good power and performance. The vibration level produced by this chainsaw is very low at just 5.3 ms2, ensuring operator comfort. The Cat 522B is part of the H series, known for its innovations. This model features a highly efficient hydraulic performance system and a more powerful engine, along with a more comfortable operator cabin that enhances right side visibility. The 522B series is designed for medium to large scale tree felling. This machine handles rough terrains exceptionally well and can be used for various applications, from small to large trees. The 522B model is a leveling machine providing greater comfort on steep terrains. Its robust undercarriage uses proven components, tailored for challenging forestry conditions. Its unique design offers industry-leading lift capacity across the full reach, resulting in better productivity and profitability. The WB2000 wideband sawmill is an exceptional quality sawmill machine. The WB2000 combines the high yield of thin kerf blade technology with the durability and reliability required for high production operations. Featuring high-performance elements, the WB2000 includes a powerful 50 GP electric motor, heavy-duty construction, low maintenance, cabin-operated HMI feed controls, a 2-camera video system, and efficient operation with precision settings for sawing softwood, hardwood, large-diameter logs, and tropical wood. The WB2000 can be used as a standalone sawmill to fully process logs, or as an addition to an existing system to handle irregular logs or produce custom orders. The Bell Ultra C is a machine known as the Giant of the Forest. Despite its large size, the operation system of this machine is not complicated. The controls are intuitive, and it offers excellent visibility. Inside the cabin, the operator can witness the machine's impressive performance. The Bell Ultra C 1998 is equipped with a powerful Cummins 4BT engine and also features a hydraulic system and temperature control. This allows users to operate the machine more freely, comfortably, and safely. The Timber Pro TL775D is a cutting machine equipped with a larger, new cabin that offers improved visibility both to the front and sides of the machine. It also features high-output LED lights that enhance nighttime visibility in the work area and directly beneath the cabin to illuminate the path. Additionally, it includes a digital climate control system to keep the cabin temperature stable and comfortable. Timber Pro TL775D is powered by a Cummins L9 Performance Series Stage 5 engine with an EGR-free architecture and a compact single-module after-treatment system, providing substantial horsepower and torque. The Timber Pro TL775D is also known for its fuel efficiency, which helps increase high-quality production at a lower cost. The Chainsaw WG322E is a cordless chainsaw that offers great value with automatic tensioning and automatic lubrication. This machine is ideal for felling and cutting wood. This cordless chainsaw is lightweight and compact, making it easier to control. Its straightforward features make it easy for anyone to operate. The tool-free chain tensioning system and automatic lubrication ensure that the chain works at peak efficiency for ease of use. It can cut branches up to 15 centimeters, 6 inches, quickly and accurately. In large-scale production processes, the John Deere 1910G is a capable tree felling machine. It is used for cutting down trees and processing wood on a large scale, such as in forests. The main features of the 1910G are its power and high load capacity. Even when extended for long reaches, this machine still provides excellent visibility. In terms of power and productivity, the Vermeer AX19 is designed with advanced features to achieve higher quality results. Equipped with mechanical feed capabilities and a 173 GP, 123 kilowatts John Deere diesel engine, this unit operates efficiently in large-scale land clearing operations or rural job sites. The Vermeer AX19 has a pulling force of up to 12,000 pounds and is supported by a patented Smart Crush control system, enabling users to easily handle large diameter logs or branched limbs.